Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to share your Expedia itinerary with someone else. This is incredibly useful when coordinating travel plans with friends, family, or colleagues, ensuring everyone has access to the same booking details and travel information. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to expedia.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This will give you access to all your saved trips and booking information tied to your account. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper right toolbar and click on Trips. This section houses all your past, current, and upcoming travel plans in one convenient location. It's your personal travel hub where Expedia organizes everything you've booked through their platform. Now you'll see a list of all your trips displayed on the screen. Click on the specific trip you want to share from this list. This will take you to a more detailed view of that particular booking, allowing you to access all the relevant information about that journey. Once you're viewing the trip, click the Itinerary or View Details button to display the full trip information. This ensures you're looking at the complete picture of your travel plans, including flights, hotels, car rentals, and any other components of your booking. Having all these details visible helps you confirm you're sharing the right trip. Next, look for and click the Share button. This feature is designed specifically to make it easy to distribute your travel information to others without having to manually copy and paste details or take screenshots. In the upper right, navigate to Email Address and type in the email address of the person you want to share the itinerary with. Make sure you enter the correct email to avoid sending sensitive travel information to the wrong recipient. Once you've verified the email address is correct, click Send. The recipient will receive an email containing your complete itinerary details, making it simple for them to access everything they need to know about your trip. Alternatively, you can share a link or copy by clicking the Copy button, then share it with the person you want through your preferred method. This gives you flexibility in how you distribute your travel information, whether through messaging apps, social media, or any other communication platform you use. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Expedia itinerary, making travel coordination much simpler and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.